Sponsored by
Several hours after the deadly attack in Moscow's concert hall, which claimed 133 lives and inflicted injuries upon 107 other people, Russia on Saturday stated that it had arrested 11 people, including 4 gunmen suspected of carrying out the massacre. In his first statement since the attack, President Vladimir Putin called it a bloody and a barbaric terrorist attack and declared March 24 as the day of national mourning across Russia. While on one hand, United States claimed that ISIS was behind the attack as per its intelligence inputs, Russia, on the other hand, have suspicions over Ukraine's involvement and believes that US is trying to hide the Ukrainians' ill activities. Nonetheless, the Ukraine officials have denied their involvement in the attacks. Initially, the Russian authorities stated that 143 people died in the shooting. However, later on, they rectified the number to 133. Pointing towards Ukraine's involvement in the attack, Putin stated that 11 people were detained, including 4 gunmen who were found hiding and moving towards the Ukraine border. He stated that preliminary data shows that a window was prepared for them on the Ukrainian side to cross the state border. Additionally, Russia's FSB security service has revealed that the 4 apprehended gunmen had links with Ukraine. It also must be noted that neither Vladimir Putin nor the FSB publicly presented any proof of the suspect's link with Ukraine. Meanwhile, Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky denied the claims, saying that it was typical of Putin and other thugs to seek to divert blame. Furthermore, adding to Zelensky's statement, Ukrainian military intelligence spokesperson Andrei Yusov denied their involvement in the terror attack, adding that Ukraine is fighting against Russian army and not the civilians. At the same time, since the information about the Moscow terror attack started to circulate, the US has been claiming that ISIS is behind the attack, while striking out Ukrainian involvement whatsoever. Amidst these accusations on one another, a video surfaced on Telegram account believed to be associated with Amaq, the news outlet linked to IS. As reported by the Spectator Index, ISIS has released the bodycam footage of the Moscow terrorist attack. Upon looking at the video, varied theories were constructed by the users. While some stated that it seemed to be a pre-planned action and terrorists used advanced technology. If the video and claims made by the US stand true, the attack comes amid a long-standing and persistent conflict between Russia and the Islamic State that started with President Putin's intervention in the Syrian civil war in 2015. Back in 2015, Putin had backed President Bashar al-Assad against the Islamic State. This would not be the first time when Islamic State has targeted Russia, because in 2022, the ISIS-K had launched a suicide attack on the Russian embassy in Afghanistan's Kabul, killing 8 people, of which 2 were employees of the embassy. Additionally, Russia has found itself in the crosshairs of ISIS-K for several reasons. Firstly, Russia's growing ties with Taliban has come as a setback to ISIS-K, as they are both bitter enemies. Another reason is that Russia has multiple times made decisions which ISIS-K sees as oppression of Muslims. In fact, human rights organizations like Amnesty International have highlighted cases of Muslims being denied employment, education, or housing opportunities in Russia. The Muslim population in Russia is estimated to be around 20 million. Most of the Muslim population resides in the North Caucasus region. Human rights groups have flagged abuses against Muslims, including torture, restrictions on religious practices, surveillance, arbitrary arrests, and targeted violence in the region. Notably, Islamic State's affiliate in Afghanistan, ISIS-K, seeks a caliphate across Afghanistan, Pakistan, Turkmenistan, Tajikistan, Uzbekistan, and Iran.